Now you're making me look like a liar, huh? I'm a liar. So you're telling me I'm a liar? I'm a liar? I'm a liar. Answer me. I'm a liar. Sorry po. Sorry? That's how you say sorry? If say sorry to you. Sorry, ate, sorry. Tanggap mo yon? She really shouted at me. Ate, may pinag-aralan akong tao, ginanon mo ako. I'm just returning the favor. No! No. Alam mo kung paano mo ako tinanong? Paano mo ako tinanong? Sabi mo, ate, ano problema mo? Ha? And oh my God, kuya, oh my God, she's a liar. Oh my God, you're a freaking liar, miss. Ang sabi mo, anong problema ko? Shh! Anong problema mo?